Hi everyone! Welcome back to my drawing world. Today we're going to draw a cute little dinosaur. Grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's bring him to life together. Let's start with the eyes. 2 small, happy circles right here. Add tiny dots for pupils. Make sure they look like he's smiling with his eyes. Now draw 1 smooth, curved line for the mouth. It's just a gentle smile, not too big, not too small. He's a friendly dinosaur, not a scary one. Next, let's add a little bump for the nose. Nice! Just a tiny one, because he's cute, remember? Now let's move down and draw his round belly. Make it big and soft-looking, like he just finished eating a bunch of leaves. Let's bend the tail to one side, nice and curvy. Then add his 2 short legs, 1 in front, 1 behind. Our dino's standing strong. Time for his arms. 2 tiny little arms reaching forward. They look small, but in his mind, he's super powerful. Perfect! Now comes the fun part, the spikes. Start from his tail and move up, one by one, all the way to the top of his head. Each spike gets a little smaller near the front. Amazing! Let's draw the grass under his feet. A few lines going up and down, just like sharp little blades. Now he's standing in his green jungle home. Now add a tree on the left side, tall and leafy. Maybe that's where he finds his breakfast. Now draw a bright sun up in the sky. And don't forget the 2 fluffy clouds floating around. Add the final details, the little dots on his back. Each one makes him extra cute and unique. And done. That's our full sketch. Now, let's grab our colors. We'll fill him with bright orange and yellow and a little green for the background. Ready? Let's color. And while we do that, I'll tell you some fun facts about dinosaurs. Here's something wild. Did you know dinosaurs ruled the earth for more than 165 million years? That's way longer than humans have existed. If time were a movie, humans would appear only in the last few seconds. And not all dinosaurs were giant. Some were smaller than chickens. One tiny one, called Microraptor, even had feathers and could glide from tree to tree, like a flying cat with wings. Our little orange friend here looks a bit like a Stegosaurus. Those spikes on his back, They weren't for fighting. Scientists think they helped control body temperature or showed off to other dinos, kind of like saying, "Hey, look how cool my spikes are." Here's another fun fact. Dinosaurs didn't roar the way we hear in movies. Some may have cooed, hissed, or even sounded like birds. Imagine a T-Rex making a pigeon sound. Not so scary now, right? Speaking of T-Rex, that guy had teeth longer than your hand. But here's a surprise. He had a great sense of smell, maybe better than a shark's. So if you ever time travel, maybe bring deodorant. Do you know that most dinosaurs never saw snow? Because Earth was much warmer back then. Their world was full of thick forests, giant ferns, and volcanoes that kept the planet hot. Let's talk about colors. Scientists used to think dinosaurs were all green or brown, but now they believe some were colorful, maybe red, blue, even rainbow-like. So if your dinosaur is orange and pink, that's totally possible. And about those tiny arms, like our little buddies here, they weren't useless. T-Rex could lift up to 400 pounds with each arm. That's like holding a refrigerator. Okay, maybe a small one. Dinosaurs were everywhere, in the oceans, in the air, on land. If you could visit their time, you'd see flying reptiles soaring overhead and giant herbivores munching on trees below. It was like a world-sized zoo with no cages. Here's a mystery. How did they disappear? Most scientists think a huge asteroid hit Earth about 66 million years ago. It made the sky dark, the air cold, and wiped out almost everything. But not all life vanished. Some small dinosaurs survived and became birds. Yep, your pet parrot or the pigeon on the street, they're dinosaurs' cousins. Every time you hear a bird chirp, that's the voice of a dino descendant saying, "Hey, we made it." Some dinosaurs cared for their eggs, built nests, and even protected their babies. They weren't just roaring monsters, they were parents too. Kind of heartwarming, right? And here's one last amazing thought. Scientists keep discovering new dinosaurs every year. That means somewhere under rock and sand, more stories are waiting to be told. If you liked this, hit subscribe and tell me which dinosaur I should draw next.